This video will show you how to create a travel report for your teams and coaches for away games. It'll pull together key demographic information for a team's athletes. Start by going to your Report tab and choosing the standard option. In the drop-down on the left, you'll want to make sure Athlete is selected as our database of record. Then, in the Select a Report drop-down, choose the Travel Report from the different travel options that you have. Once you select the report, choose the team that you want to run the report for, and hit the Print button. The report will then populate in a new tab or window within your browser. You'll see each athlete in alphabetical order and their corresponding emergency contacts, insurance information, and medical alerts that you might need to be aware of. You can scroll through to see your entire team. You then have the option of downloading this to a PDF to send as an attachment on an email to your coaches or other admin who may need access to this info, or you can print out a copy of this report using the print icon in the top right corner. If you have any further questions, please contact your sales representative at CSMI.